Planning your next European getaway and wondering whether to fly with Air France or KLM, in this video we compare both airlines from cabin comfort and in-flight service to booking tips and loyalty rewards. Stick around till the end for my top recommendation and insider tips to save money on your next flight. When we talk about Air France KLM, we're not just talking about two airlines, we're talking about a strategic alliance that shaped modern European air travel. Formed in 2004 through a merger, the group combines the elegance and flair of French aviation with the efficient, friendly Dutch service style KLM is famous for. Air France is headquartered in Paris Charles de Gaulle, one of the largest international hubs in the world, while KLM operates from Amsterdam Schiphol, consistently ranked as one of Europe's best connected and most punctual airports. Air France has built its reputation on luxury, refined service, and culinary excellence. Even in economy class, you'll often find a menu curated by French chefs. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, on the other hand, brings a no-nonsense customer-first experience, offering timely departures, clean cabins, and cheerful crews, all with that signature Dutch charm. And while they operate under the same umbrella, your experience on each can feel distinctly different. So which one is better in 2025? Let's dig deeper. Let's talk about booking your flight, because that's where the journey begins. Both airlines share a unified website under airfrance.klm.com, and you can easily book flights from either carrier, often mixed within the same itinerary. For example, you might fly out with Air France and return with KLM all on one ticket. Super convenient. KLM often shines when it comes to transparent pricing and user experience. Their mobile app is incredibly smooth, and the carbon footprint indicators are a nice touch for eco-conscious travelers. Plus, KLM frequently offers flash sales and promo fares, especially on routes between Europe and Africa or the Americas. Air France gives you more customizable options. You can choose your fare type, baggage, seating, and even pre-select meals depending on your cabin. Their app has improved a lot in 2025, but it still leans a bit more premium focused. When booking with either airline, be sure to log into or sign up for the Flying Blue loyalty program. Not only can you collect miles, but you'll also get early access to deals and sometimes better seat selections. And here's something many travelers don't know. Sometimes booking the same route through KLM instead of Air France IJ or vice versa can show different prices, so always check both before you buy. Air France Economy offers slightly wider seats, but KLM is better for legroom. Both have responsive crew, in-flight entertainment, and free snacks, though Air France tends to serve more refined meals even in economy. Now let's talk about Flying Blue, the joint loyalty program shared by both Air France and KLM. And in 2025, it's more powerful than ever. Flying Blue is part of the SkyTeam Alliance, so your miles can be earned and redeemed across partner airlines like Delta, Kenya Airways, Saudia, and more, making it super versatile for both European and international travelers. Elite status. There are 4 main status levels: Explorer, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Even at the silver level, you unlock benefits like priority check-in, extra baggage allowance, and better seat choices. Gold and platinum members enjoy lounge access, priority boarding, and more exclusive perks. Earning miles. Miles are earned based on your ticket price, not just distance. But here's the cool part. Frequent flyers or business travelers can rack up miles fast with status bonuses and promotions. You can also earn points by using Flying Blue credit cards or hotel partners. Baggage policy. Both airlines allow 1 carry-on and 1 personal item for free, and on long-haul intercontinental flights, 1 checked bag is usually included in economy, a big plus compared to budget carriers. On short-haul European routes, baggage might depend on your fare type, so always double-check when booking. If you're flying light, opt for the light or standard fares, but if you're bringing more luggage or want flexibility, upgrading to flex fares or using your Flying Blue miles for baggage can save you stress. So, Air France or KLM, which airline should you fly with in 2025? Here's my take after comparing everything from booking to baggage. Choose Air France if you love gourmet in-flight meals, yes, even in economy. Prefer a more elegant French design and premium feel, are connecting through Paris Charles de Gaulle, and want access to their newer lounges and shopping zones. Choose KLM if you want a reliable, on-time flight with excellent crew service, prefer more legroom and thoughtful extras in economy, are transiting via Amsterdam Schiphol, which is easier to navigate than CDG for many travelers. My personal recommendation, if I'm flying short haul or solo, I often go with KLM, but for long haul comfort or romantic travel, Air France wins me over with its refined touches. Both airlines are safe, trusted, and consistently top-rated, so you really can't go wrong. It just depends on what matters most to you, comfort, cuisine, price, or punctuality. Have you flown with Air France or KLM recently? Drop your experience in the comments, the good, the bad, or the funny. And if this video helped you decide, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the AV tribe for more travel tips, airline reviews, and smart ways to fly better with AI and tech. See you in the next video. And until then, keep your vision global.